Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman held an all-important meeting with the banks as well as NBFCs today, and this time around for expediting the resolution of loan accounts as well as reviewing the progress so far of the emergency credit line guarantee scheme as well as the other schemes that were launched as a part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat package as well. As things stand today, the big message from the Finance Minister to bankers was that bankers should make sure that any eligible borrower should not be turned away. The festive season is just around the corner and bankers should do whatever it takes to support the economy during these times. The big message was that lenders should put in place board-approved policies to make sure that they are able to identify eligible borrowers, reach out to them immediately, and also look at a quicker implementation of the resolution plan by lenders, as well as ensure that there is revival that happens for viable businesses as well. She also said that it is time that bankers must be able to differentiate any sort of COVID-19 related stress, and said that as and when the moratorium period gets over, the loan repayment is lifted, borrowers should be given support by the banking sector, and COVID-19 related distress must not impact the lender's own assessment of the creditworthiness of various borrowers. Important comments coming in by the Finance Minister, given the fact, as I said, the festive season is just around the corner and the government would want banks to support the economy going forward. Also important to note that the Finance Minister once again has emphasized that the resolution scheme must be put in place by lenders by the 15th of September 2020. We're given to understand that the Finance Minister has also asked the banks to keep a lid on their NPAs, coming in at a time when the RBI themselves have said that they expect the bad loans in the banking system or the financial system to rise substantially from the current 8% level to almost about 14% if things with respect to COVID-19 worsen by March 2021, and that is going to have a huge impact on the banking system. And we're given to understand the Finance Minister has asked the banks to keep a check on the bad loans as well. She's also asked the lenders, and in fact lenders on their part have assured the Finance Minister that they're ready with the resolution policies. They've already started the process of identifying, reaching out to eligible borrowers, as well as complying with the timelines that have been listed by the central bank as well. As things stand today with respect to various schemes that the government had launched with respect to the Atmanirbhar Bharat package as well, so far as much as 1.58 lakh crore rupees has already been sanctioned under the emergency credit line guarantee scheme, out of which almost 1.1 lakh crore rupees have already been disbursed. And besides that, under the partial credit guarantee scheme as well, almost 25,000 crore worth of bonds as well as commercial paper have also been approved for purchase by public sector banks. So the Finance Minister today giving out a very clear message that banks should support the economy. They should make sure that eligible borrowers are not turned away.